Right, this is some disinfo shill, yeah, telling half-truths and disinfo about the symbolism of the superb owl the other day. She talked about all sorts of stuff, but she forgot about the bird, the 33 bird that's been made outside, the 33, what is it, 33,000 kilo bird or something, falcon. She doesn't mention that. She doesn't mention the fact that he's got a massive bird on him with the cali and the bird and winged cherubs and the eye. I think she mentions the eye. You've got the butterfly for the monarch, yeah, but she doesn't mention the bird, and she doesn't connect it with the bird outside the stadium and the cali. He's got a lion or something here as well, look. A lion of Judah, yeah. In a bit, peace.